paggamit ng iSure Mana Coffee 32 in 1. Maganda po ang naging epekto nito sa akin dahil nawala na po ang pananakit ang sikmura ko at bumaba na din ang ating blood sugar. Kaya nagpapasalamat po ako sa iSure Mana Coffee sa malaking tulong nito sa akin. iSure Coffee 32 in 1. iSure Coffee 32 in 1. Don't let that destroy your investment. Call Navicon Philippines Incorporated now. They offer general pest control, rodent control, termite control, pest control, fumigation, and disinfection services. Also available activated carbon for mold processes, water purification, and Vermicast 100% organic fertilizer. Visit them at the ESPP Regional Center, 362 Las Paz Avenue, Baguio City. You can also call them on 444-7378 ESP, 445-8545, or 0920-865-2806. You're in control with Navicon. Ang iPure 32 in 1 coffee ay may sagap at Nova na nakakatulong na patalasin ang ating memorya. iPure 32 in 1 coffee. Mabibili sa pharmacy, Shopee at Lazada. Environment sa ginagawa para produkto mainit mo yan.